Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so I'm here and I'm at the Social Lounge at the Heights of 1520. The Heights of 1520 Social Lounge, really cool space. First of all, it's super tall. It's probably 25 feet ceilings. Really cool space. I would call it maybe a pool lounge too, but man, it's just got a really cool vibe. It's got kind of a modern yet retro 70s vibe here. This is a good place to chill. You can have a party here. You can watch some TV, maybe watch some football on Saturdays. And they have more areas here. Okay, I actually feel really fun and cool with this room. So you got games that go on here. You can work during the day, over there. And then I love this feel. Oh, isn't this cool? I love this room. It just feels like a fun room to explore and chill out in. Love this room. So anyway, just a great vibe. I think you can really get some fun with some friends here in this room and meet some new ones too. All right, let's go explore some apartments. Can't wait to do that. Let's do that right now.